Dear all, in today's sessions, we will discuss about different tools for teaching and learning as well as research. And these tools are dedicated to artificial intelligence based technologies. You might have seen that nowadays we are in the era of AI. Every day, new products are getting launched. ChatGPT is there. However, it was very first tool that came in existence in content writing, in image generation. And once ChatGPT was released, there was very close competition between many corporate giants. Google also launched its product Bard. Immediately after Bard, with modifications, they released Gemini. Meta, Meta LLMs, and you might have gone through the news that Meta has released its new AI chatbot for images, videos, presentations, that is Chameleon. So nowadays we are having lots of tools, lots of platforms under artificial intelligence based segment, and these are for multiple applications, not only for teaching and learning. Even corporate world is also using AI based tools, AI chatbots. However, AI chatbots, it is not a new domain. From last so many years we are using in form of device. So you might be using Amazon Alexa, Fire Stick, but same thing is adopted in software based applications for content writing, for image generation, for creation of some particular unique content. Okay, so in multiple applications, in this particular session we will discuss about these perspectives which are related to artificial intelligence based chatbots, and I will show you some demonstrations how to create unique content for teaching and learning. And what about prompt engineering? How to write different types of prompts? Llama. What is meaning of Llama? LLM. You might have seen that at backend of every AI chatbot, whether it is Bard, Chameleon, or Copilot, or it is Gemini, at backend of each and every AI chatbot, there is LLM, large language model. Participants who are from technology background, from science and engineering background, or specifically IT background, they might have heard this term LLM, large language model. So we can create our own chat GPT like product also using LLM programming. But in this session, we will see how to use different applications and by which way we can go for prompt engineering. We will discuss about different challenges, opportunities in current era related to AI chatbots. Because you might have seen that with the advent of these chatbots, lots of jobs are getting killed. Every day we are going through news that thousands of jobs are getting killed. Even highly paid white collar jobs, white collar experts, they are getting fired from companies because of chat GPT. And very recent news related to Indian context, that is more than 40% students, more than 40% pass out students of from IITs, they are unemployed. So this particular figure, this data is very panicful, very frightening, that even IIT graduates, they are unemployed, more than 40%. And IITs, they are contacting their alumni for placements. But we will see what will happen in upcoming time. So you can see the pace, you can see the exponential growth of AI robots or AI bots. And for every domain, for speech recognition, for content generation, for generation of images. First of all, I'm covering about different concepts. I'm covering about the figures, about statistics, because we should be clear about our surrounding. We should know what is going on in our surrounding. After that, I will cover different tools which you can use. Okay, this particular data I'm not showing to create panic. It is only to make you aware that we should be alert in this particular era. As far as our age group is concerned, it is okay. But what about our next generation? What to ask them? What how to guide our next generation to survive in this market of AI chatbots, where everything is getting automated? Okay, and this one is the statistics. You can see that Netflix took around 4 years to reach 1 million users. Other platforms also, you can see Twitter took around 2 years to reach 1 million users. But ChatGPT, it achieved 1 million users in only 5 days. Nowadays, everybody is using it. School going children, teachers, faculty members, corporates, content writers, authors, each and everything is available on ChatGPT, and not only ChatGPT, some other tools also I will show you, which we can use for our routine applications, for our office automation, for teaching learning. Okay, so you can see this prominence, and currently how many users are there in comparison to other platforms. What about prominence, how much it is famous? And this one is the data that is discussed very frequently on different platforms. These are the jobs in threat with AI chatbots. Some of these jobs, or we can say that almost each and every job in this particular segment, will be out in few years. Okay, few years is a long duration. In few months may be there. However, till now, in current scenario also, we are also watching, we are going through news that lots of jobs are getting killed, people are getting fired because of AI chatbots. There is no need of data entry operators, no need of market research analyst. If you have gone through the news related to mutual funds, you might have seen that as far as mutual funds are concerned, stock market is concerned, or securities market is concerned, corporates hire fund managers. But nowadays, companies like Quant and so many other companies, they are using chatbot based fund managers. They are using mathematical formulation based fund management or portfolio management system. So in upcoming time, it will be a threat on fund managers jobs also. Okay, so we have to be alert, and we have to be equipped with recent technologies. We should know what is going on in our surrounding and how to survive. And till that particular threshold, when jobs will be almost zero, to that particular point, how to survive, okay, or how to make best use of these platforms, AI chatbots. Okay, so again I'm saying that I'm showing this data, I'm showing these statistics just to make you aware what is going on in our surrounding, and we should enrich our skills. We should keep on updating our skills. Okay. As far as ChatGPT is concerned, there are lots of opportunities. ChatGPT, like AI chatbots, are concerned. Lots of opportunities available. You might have seen efficiency, 24 by 7 availability, and no no scope of any fatigue. Anytime we can ask for some particular question, we can get responses, cost saving, resource optimization. If you have gone through the news related to CNET, I think many participants might be knowing about the platform CNET and similar platforms engaged in writing technical articles. They have fired their most of the authors. Okay, most of the authors are out of jobs. Even TCS, Accenture, Infosys, they are also keep on firing developers because programming is going on. Programming is also going through these platforms. Okay, Copilot is there, Perplexity is there, Humata. So some of these tools I will show, I will cover in this session so that you will be having exposure to these tools. Why we are covering multiple tools in this session? As far as ChatGPT is concerned, traditional content extraction is concerned, everybody knows that how to write a particular question, how to get some particular responses. But there is a particular scenario, there is a particular technique that is known as prompt engineering. So we will discuss about that part also, because as lots of jobs are getting killed, so which new job will be in market, which type of new jobs will be available for freshers or for experienced professionals. So as per the reports from, as per the tweet from Sam Altman from OpenAI, so next job will be in prompt engineering. So we will discuss about this point. What is prompt? How to write effective prompt? As far as classical search engine is concerned, for example, Google, from around 2 decades, we are using Google search engine. Whatever we write in Google, whatever query we put in Google, that is known as keyword based searching. Okay, everybody knows about it. Google is database oriented search engine. At backend of this, there is a backend database, data corpus, and whatever we write in Google text box, that is keyword. Okay, using keywords we extract some data. But when we extract some data from AI chatbots, it is known as prompt engineering. Okay, so for example, I want to extract some data. So this one is text box. You can see here at bottom, everybody is aware about this platform, about this interface. So by which way we can interact with chat GPT or AI chatbots? This is known as prompt engineering. Okay, if I'm writing some query here, if I'm writing, if I'm typing some message to extract some data from chat GPT large language model, it means using prompt, I want to extract some data from LLM of ChatGPT. And many times it is seen that when we write some content, when we search some content in ChatGPT, it gives us message that it is unethical, it is not possible. For example, I'm writing here, I want to generate a flow chart. Okay, I want to generate some diagram. It will give me message that it is NLP based and it is not possible. However, In very recent update of ChatGPT 4.0, if you are aware, very recently 4.0 ChatGPT is released, in which image based querying, in which PDF based questioning and answering can be done. Okay. So we will see by which way we can use ChatGPT and other platforms for data extraction. Okay, ChatGPT is there. Some other platforms are also available. Perplexity, Humata. Okay, Perplexity is there. Humata, questioning and answering, querying from some documents. For example, we are having one ebook. We have one research document. From that research document, we want to ask some questions. Okay, chat PDF, chat PDF. Lots of toolkits available. You will be surprised to know that nowadays we are having more than 10,000 chatbots, and every day value this figure is increasing. Every day new chatbots are getting involved. Different directories are available in which you will get chatbot for everything. You need to create videos for YouTube, it can be done. You want to create presentations, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, PDF to PPT, PPT to PDF, or audio to PDF. For each and every application, these chatbots are available. So, dear participants, now we will start with demonstration part. One by one, we will take some tools and we will see how to use these tools for teaching, learning, and research. As all of you are academicians, you might be working on different research tasks. Many times we have to understand a particular document, we have to extract data from a document. So we will start with that point. Okay, so for example, I'm having one chapter. Okay, for example, this one is one content which I want to evaluate. Okay, this one, this particular document, this research paper, or this book chapter we want to analyze, or any other. Now for demonstration, I'm taking one down paper, I'm downloading one paper from Google Scholar. Okay, just for demonstration. Chapter, if you have a book, if you have an ebook in PDF format, you can upload it, or anything else. For example, related to blockchain security, I'm downloading some data. Okay, so just for demonstration, I'm downloading one document from internet so that we can show you some demonstration. Okay, I'm downloading this paper on desktop. This is in PDF format. So we will see this paper is getting downloaded, and this one is the paper. Okay. This one is research paper. which we want to evaluate. Okay, it is a paper, it may be a book chapter or some anything else, any research document. This paper is of you can see 34 pages. So you can see this one, this paper is of 34 pages, or you can say this chapter, this document is of 34 pages. Now from this chapter, from this content, I want to extract some data. Okay, from this document I want to extract some data. For example, I want to see which are main findings in this research paper, in this paper. Okay, as a research scholar, many times we have to find out problem statement, research gap. Many times we have to write literature review. This paper is of 34 pages. I want to confine this paper in 5 lines. 34 pages to 5 lines. It means literature analysis or crux of that paper. Now, if I want to, now there are two ways. One way, I will read this paper from first page to last page. Okay, everybody knows that that is a classical way. From so many decades, we are adopting this process, reading this paper from first page to last page and noting down some main points. For example, this is the main point, main headings, and depending upon those main headings or content, we write something in our own language. Obviously, it will take lots of time. First of all, reading 34 pages, it will take at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour. And after that, understanding, rewriting, and presenting. Very difficult task. Another way, I want to use chatbot. Simply, we will upload this paper, browse by document. Simply, I will upload this paper, and after uploading this paper, first of all, it will tell me what this paper is all about, what this document is all about. What is key work? Okay. Any other paper I can upload? For example, this paper I want to upload. Okay, I'm uploading new document. Now you can see that we have uploaded that document of 34 pages in chatpdf.com. This is new chatbot for teaching, learning and research. You can see that these are 34 pages I have uploaded, 34 pages PDF. Now I want to extract problem statement or main work. Okay, key work and problem statement in this document. Now you can see that without reading this paper from first page to last page manually, at right hand side problem statement is extracted. Main findings in this paper and objectives. You can see that, and this content, whatever content we are getting at right hand side, it is completely plagiarism free. So we can use such tools ethically. Okay, first of all, I want to make it clear that we should use these tools keeping ethical points in our mind, because many times there are debates, many times there are controversies that such AI chatbots are available, which can write literature review instantly, which can read entire ebook entirely in few seconds. Then what our students will do, what research scholars will do, overnight work will be done. So it should be used as a tool. However, it can be used as a weapon also. Okay, so it's up to us, it's up to our subconscious mind, subconscious level, whether we should use this particular platform as a tool or as a weapon. For quick data analysis, for quick data extraction, we can use. Otherwise, if I want to find out main findings from this paper, it is of 34 pages. You can imagine my whole day or at least half day will be spent. And after spending half day, I will be able to write 5 to 6 lines. But now you can see with chat pdf, and not only chat pdf, lots of other tools available. I will show you those tools also. Okay, and those tools also may be creating panic that what is going on nowadays, what people will do, what researchers will do, where research is going on. But one point we always say, that if we are not aware about something, it doesn't mean that we are honest. If we are not learning about these tools, it doesn't mean that we are honest and genuine person. We will be honest and genuine only if we will use these tools genuinely or honestly. If we will say that we will not learn these tools, let these tools in cyberspace, let other people will do, but we will not use it. Okay, that is also another scenario. So it's up to our decision, it's up to our discretion. Okay, for example, main work discussed in the table of this paper. I want to see only tabular work. So which type of tabular work is evaluated? So you can use it chatpdf.com. Okay, for example, I want to see scope of future work and directions ahead related to this paper. So this particular document, this particular platform will give data, will give responses similar to a human being. So when a researcher, when a research scholar move to guide or supervisor, then same questions are asked. Supervisor asks, okay, what you have read from this paper, what you have analyzed in this paper, what is scope, what is future scope in this paper. Okay, and manually we have to analyze. But same thing, all of these things are available in chatbots. And not only this chatbot, lots of other toolkits available, and any number of papers you can upload. For example, this is another research paper, multiple papers you can upload. And I want to see, okay, main work in this paper with conclusion in concise format. So you can see that this one is the result, and it is unique content. Any query up to this point? And have you understood whatever we are covering here? Are you getting this content or not? If you have any query, you can ask. In this tool, if you have any query, you can ask. Yes, Ishant sir, I think one participant raising hand. Ishant, Professor Ishant Barol. I don't know whether they are willing to communicate. So if you have any query, you can ask.
सर आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क कि ये जो हमें मिलता है मटेरियल ये समराइज करने के बाद में, तो ये क्या प्लेगरिज्म फ्री होता है? क्योंकि जैसे हम अगर पेपर राइट करते हैं तो उसका हमें बार बार प्लेगरिज्म चेक करना होता है। तो ये जो अभी मटेरियल मिलता है ये चेकबॉट यूज करने के बाद में, क्या इस पे भी प्लेगरिज्म लागू होता है या ये प्लेगरिज्म फ्री होता है सर?
This is completely free, completely plagiarism free. So you can see I am copying this content and I am pasting in Google. Okay, so this content is plagiarism free. You can see that it is not highlighting as it is not getting highlighted as it is. For example, this content. Okay, let's say, for example, we have copied it, and I am pasting here. So plagiarism free. Okay, you can check it on Turnitin, you can check it on Orkund or some other software. It will be
Okay, sir.
plagiarism free. Okay, and it is completely, and it is a free software.
Yes,
There is
sir.
one query in chat window whether it is free or paid. It is a free software, so you can use it. However,
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
this feature is also available in chat gpt. Okay, in chat gpt 4.0 that is released recently, it is available in that also. Okay, up to this point, is it clear? Any other participant who wish to ask any question related to this tool?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I just want to know one thing. The document which we will upload for this chatbot, that has to be in PDF format only, or any other format documents can be also uploaded?
No, ma'am, it should be in PDF format. If you want to upload document in scanned format, for example,
Uh-huh.
JPG format or in doc, in that case, you can use Perplexity or Gemini. Gemini is also there. Even
Okay.
in ChatGPT 4.0,
Uh-huh.
4, ChatGPT 4.0, image uploading and questioning that is possible.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I'm repeating this point because there is one query related to it. So for example, this one is this one is the document, and I want to generate its research summary. So you can see that I'm writing one prompt. Okay, generate summary of this paper, including problem statement, objectives, goals, and limitations, because these are the things we have to write in research paper or in research analysis. So I want to generate all of these things in one shot. Okay, in one shot I need problem statement, objectives, goals, and limitations. So it is generating this this paragraph, second paragraph for goals, first paragraph for summary, third paragraph for limitations. Okay, so you can use it. And we all, as I am telling you, so you should also tell to your students, to your researchers, because many times, so again I am telling this point, because people or very learned professors, they discuss this point that if we will tell these tools to our students, then what they will do, what they will learn. So, if we are telling them how to use these tools ethically, how to use these tools responsibly, in that case, they can finish their work faster. Okay, so everybody knows that we, all of us are having some medicines. Okay, each and every medicine is available. Medicine can be used as a particular treatment. Okay, for some particular treatment, medicines can be used as a drug. Okay, so it's up to us whether we want to use a medicine for treatment or as a drug. Cough syrup is available. Okay, cough syrup is available for cough only, that can be used as an alternative to alcohol. So both variants are available, both options are available. We have to decide what to do. Okay, but we should know. Main point is that we should know that these things are in our surrounding and how to use it. Because if you will not tell them, if we will not tell other people, they will they will come across these tools from some other sources after so much time, and obviously at that particular time they will use these tools abruptly, they will use these tools haphazardly. But initial level, if we are discussing these tools, all of us will evaluate, we will compare, and we can use such tools responsibly. Okay, so this is very first platform that I wanted to cover, and not only this, lots of other tools available. Okay, is this clear to all participants up to this point? Is it clear? Yes, you can read documents from internet also. You can download, but it is better as it is chat PDF. So we have to download. You can generate its PDF and then you can query it. Another tool, Perplexity. Perplexity.ai. This is very popular tool, very powerful platform for knowledge discovery. So similar to chat GPT, you can ask some query here directly. You can put some questions, you can generate some content. For example, generate a paragraph on blockchain in association with e-governance. Okay, directly we can write some prompt. Okay, with news update. Perplexity.ai. So you can see that this is the way to generate content. So what we are writing. So when you write some prompt, always mention that with news update. Okay, so this is known as prompt engineering. For example, I want to write one um, uh, workshop manual. I want to write some article, or I want to apply for some research project. In research projects, document, for example, in abstract, in conclusion, in introduction, obviously that content will be impressive if I will use some data. If I will use, okay, write some content on blockchain, write some content on cryptocurrency or quantum computing, it will give me some random content. It will be plagiarism free, but it will be random. So we have to write in this way, okay, with some data, generate a paragraph on this with some news update. Same thing we can use in Gemini. I will show you demonstration of Gemini also. So you can rewrite within this platform. You can rewrite. Okay, it will be rewritten. Now on same document, on same platform, if I want to upload some images, some content. So I'm taking some content from Google Scholar. Okay, for example, I'm taking some content related to quantum computing. Okay, optical quantum computing. Okay, just for demonstration, I'm downloading some content so that I can query this paper. So save on desktop, I'm saving it. This one is research paper. This one is a document on optical quantum computing. Now I want to query that paper similar to chat PDF. Okay, chat PDF is only for uploading PDF and getting responses corresponding to some questions. But within Perplexity, we can write prompts similar to ChatGPT. We can upload our document. We can generate images. We can generate videos. So for multiple applications, we can use Perplexity. So you can see attach images, text, or PDF. So as one participant was asking that can we upload some other content or not. So we can upload text, we can upload images, we can upload PDF. Now I'm uploading PDF. This paper, optical quantum computing, and now I want to, now you can see that as soon as I have uploaded this paper, it is giving me these three suggestions. Either I want to ask key insights or conclusion or what authors have done in this paper. So, okay, from inbuilt options, I can ask. So this paper is related to scalable quantum computing. And you can see that it is giving me citations also, references also. how to cite that paper. So key insights of this paper. Now I want to give my own question. Okay, by which way the entire work is implemented in this paper. Now you can see that I have asked this question, by which way the entire work is implemented in this paper, using single photons and as qubits, linear optical elements, single photon detectors. These using these techniques, using these components, or using this methodology, it is done. Now this is, you can see that it is asking me to put some questions in follow up, ask follow up. Follow up means, okay, generate above response in form of paragraph. Okay, I don't need response in this format. Number one, number two, you might have seen that if every time we will write in numbering and bullets, it doesn't look professional. In research papers, very less times we have to write, we have to use bullets and numbering. If we will use so many bullets and numbering, it will look like an article. You might have seen that in this answer also, number one, number two, number three. If I will use this in this document also, in this response also, number one, number two, if I will use this content in my uh, ebook or something else, it will not look professional. To give it a professional look, what I have given, which prompt I have given, generate above response in form of paragraph. Now it is more professional in paragraph format rather than in bullets and numbering. Are you getting what I mean to say? Are you getting what we are covering here? Kindly write in chat or by audio. So whatever content we are generating, we can ask to refine it. We can ask to reform. Okay, generate above response in form of paragraph. Okay, otherwise it will give me response in bullets or numbers. Now you can see within one more advantage of using perplexity, it is giving me suggestions without reading that paper, without reading that document. It is giving me suggestions that these are the research questions. You might have seen in every document there are certain key points. It is giving me those key points, okay, which are potential applications of quantum lithography, and this particular term is given in this. You can see that it is again giving me response in bullets. Okay, generate above in paragraph format. I don't need bullets, I don't need numbering to give it a professional look. So you can see that now it is giving me responses in paragraph format. Otherwise, you will be caught in very first attempt that you have used chatbot. You might have seen that in Turnitin, AI plagiarism checker is available. I think everybody in this session is aware about this fact, specifically those who are doing research. AI plagiarism is checked in AI in Turnitin, and other platforms are also using that mechanism. How it is possible? Using these techniques, most of the content in bullets, most of the content in numbering, most of the content with some particular phrases, with some particular words. You might have seen when we generate some content in chat GPT, there are certain words which are repeatedly used, and using those words it is detected by AI plagiarism algorithm. Okay, so I'm showing you that part also. Is this clear to all of you? Perplexity. Okay, so anything else? And if you want to attach image, if you want to attach PDF or image or any text document, it can be uploaded. Now, so you can upload images also. For example, so any image you can take. Save image as I'm taking one random image from internet. Okay, any document you can take and it can be uploaded. Document, save, and in Perplexity, attach, and you will be able to get these responses. Now we will come to that segment which is related to unique content generation. However, these contents are also unique. Whatever content you are getting from Perplexity or whatever content you are getting from chat PDF, okay, from chat PDF or Perplexity, whatever content you are getting, it is completely plagiarism free. But still, how it is possible that uh, it is identified by plagiarism checker? It is identified by AI plagiarism. So, very first point you can see that most of the content is in bullets or numbering. Beyond this point, so I'm showing you one demo here in ChatGPT. Now I am on ChatGPT. This is dashboard of ChatGPT. I want to write one content. I want to write a paragraph for abstract or something else. For example, I'm creating some lab manual. I'm creating some lecture notes, and I need some content. Okay, generate or write future directions on blockchain with quantum computing. Now I'm showing you the way AI plagiarism checkers work. Very first point, as I have covered earlier, it is giving content in paragraph in bullet format. Okay, now you will see some words. I will show you some words, some phrases which are detected. When a human being write conclusion, when a particular person or researcher writes something, they do not use the term In conclusion, for example, I am writing conclusion manually about something. I will not write in conclusion, but here in chat gpt, this in conclusion, using this phrase, using this keyword or this combination, it is identified automatically. Whosoever knows about AI chatbots, they will easily identify that this content is generated by ChatGPT or AI chatbot, because human being do not write in this format. In conclusion, if I am writing something, for example, abstract in 200 words on wireless technology, you will see by which way it will generate the content. Some words additionally, you will see every time in chat gpt, in AI chatbots, you will see these words very commonly. The ongoing research and development, you will see this phrase, you will see this combination very frequently in chat gpt or Gemini. Additionally, some other I'm showing you. In conclusion, as I have already told, as I have already covered, we do not, human being do not write in conclusion, but AI chatbot will write it. Okay. Some other, you can see here also, additionally, in previous paragraph also, additionally, we do not, a human being, a human author do not use these words. Why? Because this word or such words are casual words. Are you getting what I mean to say? Identification of casual words. This is casual word. Additionally, moreover, in conclusion, in concluding point, nevertheless. You might have seen uh, many times in chat GPT content, data is generated with words nevertheless. You can see additionally, furthermore. After 3 to 4 sentences, these words are available. Okay, furthermore, additionally, and you can see moreover, this one, moreover. Now, for demonstration, I'm taking some other content also. Okay, for example, I want to write, okay, 200 words on conclusion and future directions on cryptocurrencies and blockchain with e-governance. Okay, just randomly I'm typing something, and we are just analyzing this chatbot. We are just analyzing what it is doing, and by which way it is identified easily that it is AI generated content. Very first point that I have already covered, it is in bullets. Transform above in paragraph format. Even then it will be identified. Why? I will show you those words which are repeatedly used by ChatGPT. In conclusion, this is the word. In conclusion, human author do not use this word. In conclusion, in previous generation also it was written. Additionally, again it has used the word additionally. So plagiarism checkers, AI plagiarism checkers check whether author is using these words which are repeatedly used, which are frequently used. Even this also by focusing on, in conclusion, additionally, and I will show you some more footprints also. These are known as footprints of AI. Okay. Some more footprints you will see. Looking forward. Okay, this is very casual word, looking forward. Okay, technical writers, scientific writers do not use these words, looking forward. So many other things. Even if I will rewrite it, rewrite about, even if I will rewrite, again it will use same footprints or same fingerprints. This convergence, because many times it is discussed that okay, we can rewrite it, and after rewriting it will not be caught, it will not be identified as AI plagiarism. You can see again it has used looking ahead. Previously it has it has written looking forward. I don't know what it has written. Previously it has written looking forward. Now it has written looking ahead. Okay, looking ahead, looking forward, or looking way ahead. These are common footprints of AI, and so many other things you will see by which way identification is done very easily that it is AI. Even you can also, now you are aware with this. If your students will come to you with some report, then you will also identify that these contents are, these phrases or these combinations are in AI. Okay, so even non-technical domains. For example, I'm taking some non-technical topic. Okay, a topic related to English or education. Abstract on any topic we can take. 1857 revolt in India. So I'm taking the topic of history with key points. Here also you will see something. So first of all, it is generating the content. Okay, so within this also, within prompt also, I can write in paragraph, so that again and again no need to rewrite in paragraph format. In a sense, you can see that this is a very common footprint. In a sense, this is very casual word. Okay, and similar casual words you will be able to identify. This one, human author do not use it. If you will if you will go through this, okay, this is known as prompt engineering. By which, how to write prompt so that content will be useful. Okay, so you can see that this future work, when human author write future work, we do not write this word, this future work, in this future work. We, what we do, for example, I am writing future work about something, I will write future work as heading only, future work and scope of conclusion and future work. Okay, only this heading, and after that I will start typing. I will not write between future work that this future work, in this future work. But you can see that what ChatGPT is doing, this future work, not only enriches. So this is footprint of AI. which is not possible in by human being, and so many other. Okay, so you can, you have to see this point, you have to see these points very carefully what you are doing, rather than haphazardly asking some questions, copy and paste, and after that submitting, after that getting embarrassed that what you have done, it is taken from AI chatbot. Even because as many times we have to use these applications, all of you are academicians, all of you are having lots of paperwork. Okay, as a teacher, as a professor, as an academician, we are having lots of work, except teaching. Okay, teaching is one work, teaching load, and except teaching, we have to apply for research projects, we have to apply for fundings, we have to apply for different grants, we have to prepare lab manuals, we have to prepare lecture notes, ppts, how to create that particular content in effective way. Okay, rather than simply writing in chat gpt and copying and pasting, and after that somebody will say that you have taken from AI chatbot. Okay, however everybody knows that most of the people are taking from AI chatbot, but it should be used intelligently. Okay, at least we can remove these words, this future work, at least we can remove those words, nonetheless, nevertheless, additionally, moreover. Okay, in abstract, many times we have seen that if we are generating some abstract, then ChatGPT generate in this abstract. So what is the use of writing in this abstract? Everybody knows that we are writing abstract. Why to write the word abstract within abstract? Heading is there, it is fine. No need to repeat that this is the abstract, everybody knows it. But if we are doing, if we are taking and copying, in that case it will be caught very easily. So we have to be smart, we have to be alert. Okay, so you can see, in a sense, despite, these are casual words, these are commonly spoken words which should not be used in technical articles, which should not be used in technical documents. Looking ahead, looking forward. Okay, what is use of writing looking ahead, looking forward? Simply write your content. In conclusion, what is use of writing in conclusion? We have written heading conclusion. Uh, it is common sense that within conclusion heading we are writing the conclusion. Why to write that this is the conclusion? Okay, but still if we are copying and pasting in word and using it, everybody will come to know that it is taken from AI chatbot, it is taken from some software, and where we have not done any proofreading. So this is known as proofreading. So whatever content you are generating, it should be proofread. Okay, remove these words, change these words. Even if you will rewrite, because many times people rewrite, after rewriting, in conclusion will become in concluding points, looking ahead will become looking forward, or looking way ahead, additionally will become in addition. Okay, if you will rewrite it, it will become in addition, but meaning will be same, additionally, in addition, moreover. So we have to be very careful. Everybody is taking data from, when ChatGPT was not available, even then we were taking data from Google. So it is not, it is not, there is nothing new. However, format is new, content is new, but things are going on in same way. Earlier times, around 6 to 7 months back, everybody was dependent on Google. So you might have heard this term, using that we are using Google Devta. Okay, so earlier also Google Devta was available. Nowadays, ChatGPT is available. Things are same. Previously, also people were taking content from Google and changing it. At that time also, We can't say that there was 100% innovation, 100% research. At that time also it was copy paste, or in between copy paste there was spinning or transforming, copy, transforming and paste. Nowadays also same thing, but we have to be careful, we have to be smart. Everything is available with us and we have to see how to use it. Now dear participants, I'm sharing. Okay, at in next session I will share. At end of the next session I will share the presentation. If you have any query, you can ask. In this session, if you have any query, you can ask. Up to this point, whatever we have covered, if you have any query, you can unmute or you can write in chat. After that, you can have a short break. And after short
I
break,
have a question. Hello.
yes, sir, please. Yes, sir.
Uh,
So,
that question I have written also. Like sometimes what happens, we are not able to access some research documents to download.
yes, sir.
But can we use these kind of applications to read those documents directly from and give us some abstract or something without like being able to
Yes, sir.
download?
Yes, sir. Some platforms are available. So in next session, I will cover some of those tools which we can use for getting content.
Okay, like it is a like a big problem to us. Like we are not able to access everything from internet, and we have
Yes.
to download like for to pay. We have to pay for downloading.
Yes, sir.
So
I will show that part also. There are certain AI-based tools, AI-based search engines which extract data regardless of your subscription.
okay, okay, okay.
So in next session, I will cover it. Any other query from participants? And if you have any point of discussion, you can tell what about your opinion, because there may be mixed opinion that whether we should tell these tools to our students or not. Whether,
Very good afternoon, sir.
yes, good afternoon, sir.
Sir, can we use any of these platform to create a PowerPoint presentation?
Yes, sir, we can use. So in next session, I will cover some tools for creating PowerPoint presentations as well as videos also.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Regarding that opinion, it is
Yes,
like
sir.
very dangerous. It seems to be very dangerous for future. Obviously, like everything is available automatically, but if it is available, we cannot avoid. That is
Yes,
another point.
yes,
If it is available to everybody, and if we don't want to use or we avoid to use, then we might not be in a position to compete with them. So
yes,
compete with the world, we might have to use whatever it may be. If it is maybe a little bit unethical, certain extent, but that it is. It's how world is moving towards.
yes, sir. Actually, we have to be aware. We should know what is going on in our surroundings, and after that we can decide whether we should use it or not. Whether we should tell to our students or not. For example, as all of you are learned professionals, you are professors, you are guiding your students. So it's a matter of debate whether we should tell these tools to our research scholars or not.
No, actually, what happens, like students already know everything, we are not knowing, and they will come up with these kind of material, and we will not be able to make out whether such thing is happening. Okay, so if
Yes,
students, we don't have to tell these days. We don't have to tell anything to students that whatever is available in market, they already know. They already know
yes.
everything. We might not be knowing.
Yes, sir. The current generation is smarter than us. They are having
Yes.
rich knowledge, and they
So
might
we,
be knowing more tools, so many other
yeah,
tools.
they'll be better trained for this or better placed in this area.
Yes,
And
sir.
then we should be aware, very much aware about all these things to evaluate those writings we are getting from children or students also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any other student, any other participant who wish to communicate?
Yes, sir. This is Sushil, Dr. Sushil.
Dr. Sushil, yes, sir. Good
Yeah,
morning, sir.
it was very informative session, sir. But whenever we try to find through these kinds of open platform, then the contents might be possible to derive from the available content in the on the websites,
Yes, sir.
different web
Definitely.
pages. But ethically in the research, whenever we are trying to take any content or formulating or modifying any content from the any resource should be cite properly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But in AI tools, whatsoever these AI tools are available, they did not cite the content. Can you explore some things about the ethical issues using the AI tools on the
Yes, sir.
given platform without citing the proper text?
Yes, sir, definitely. Some tools are available which can cite also. So if you will write prompt in Chat GPT for to give that specific reference, it will generate it. In Gemini also, in next session after the break, I will show you Gemini,
Yeah.
using
They,
which we can generate content with
Therefore,
quotations.
therefore, I would like to suggest we can take the suggestions from such kind of AI tools to create our content, but it is not ethically applicable to entirely use the contents given by these AI tools in writing any manuscript, project, or whatsoever the content we are trying to working on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other participant who wish to communicate? Any query? Any suggestion?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Gauravji, a very informative session. And can I get your contact number or mail to have
Yes, sir.
further
In
contact?
next session, at end of the next session, I will share the presentation, and you will get the contact details.
Okay, thank you, Gauravji.